Today, I'm going to share the real purpose behind this concept of forgiveness and how you can get there really quickly. So stay tuned. I'm sure you may have heard people in either the spiritual or the transformational space advising you that you need to forgive, whether it's another person, whether it's yourself, whether it's God. Lots of people hold on to things that they need to let go of and forgive. But the reason is it's weighing you down. It has nothing to do with that other person. And you don't have to tell that other person you've forgiven them or even consciously go through a forgiving process. What you need to do is let go of it. Learn any lessons you need to learn and move on. This is especially critical with yourself, which is the number one person most of the time we need to forgive. More people than not hold resentment or bad feelings toward themselves, criticisms over bad decisions we've made or things we've done we wish we hadn't done. You can't go backward. The entire reason God gave us memory is to learn from it, not to make you feel badly or hold ill will against someone else. Learn from it and move on. That doesn't mean you have to go back and be friends with that person either. Move on. Don't hold on to it. Don't harbor resentment. You're looking in the rearview mirror and there is no life there. Your life is now and in the future. You can't go backward. So I've heard a lot of people advocating for really unpacking the issue and looking at what happened and why did you react that way and what are you still feeling about it? You don't have to do that. Looking back and dredging it up and reliving it will just make you feel worse. You don't have to do that. What you need to do is let go of attachment to it. What happened, happened. Learn from it. Maybe you learned that that person really isn't the person you thought they were, and you just move on. Do not live in the past. That's all you need to do. Let go of it. Learn and choose differently if necessary, moving into your future. Let me know if you have any questions on this topic, and I'll see you in the next video.